Compared to the most other sedans in this segment, the RLX offers a shade less performance and luxury at roughly the same price. However, its smooth 3.5-litre V6 produces sufficient power for daily needs, rear passenger space is generous, and the standard technology features are outstanding. What's new? The base navigation trim is no longer offered, but otherwise the Acura RLX remains unchanged for 2017. We recommend for 2017, the RLX technology package supplants the navigation trim as the entry-level model and is the model we recommend buying. There are a ton of standard features, including a complete suite of active safety technologies such as blind spot monitoring and lane keeping assist. Though the advanced package contains attractive options such as heated and ventilated seats and a surround view camera, the cost of the package at $6,000 would be better spent upgrading to the Sport Hybrid model. Trim levels and features. The 2017 Acura RLX comes powered by a 3.5-litre V6 engine, 310 horsepower, 272 pound-feet of torque, that drives the front wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission. Two trim levels are available, the technology package and the advanced package. The 2017 Sport Hybrid, which has a combined output of 377 horsepower and 341 pounds-feet from its 3.5-litre V6 and 3 electric motors, is also available in both trims, packages above. The Sport Hybrid features a 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission and all-wheel drive with torque vectoring technology. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically comes in multiple versions, although trim levels share many aspects. The ratings in this review are based on our full tests of the 2014 Acura RLX Advance, 3.5 liters V6, 6-speed automatic, and the 2016 Acura RLX Sport Hybrid SH-AWD Advance, 3.5 liters V6, hybrid, AWD, 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Scorecard overall 3.0, 5.0 driving 3.0, 5.0 comfort 3.5. 5.0 and interior 3.5, 5.0 utility 2.5, 5.0 technology N. A driving rating. The RLX is relatively nimble and wields enough horsepower to handle everyday tasks with ease. Although it's dynamically competent, others in the segment offer a more engaging driving experience and a wider selection of powertrains. Comfort rating. RLX ride comfort varies between models, while seat comfort falls below our expectations at this price. Noise and vibration, however, is kept at bay, which helps preserve some cabin serenity. Interior rating. The RLX interior is best described as functionally pleasant. There isn't much of a wow factor. The top infotainment display has a lower resolution than the bottom touch screen, and the controls look dated and lack an intuitive flow. You'll find better interiors at this price. Utility rating. The RLX offers generous amounts of passenger space but fails to impress with its trunk accommodations and in-cabin storage for personal effects. Other vehicles to consider. 2017 Lexus GS 350 sedan $50,365, 2017 Genesis G80 sedan $41,400.